Welcome to HT Sweets UK Limited. We are the supplier of high-quality slush, popcorn, ice cream, snow cone, hot dog and candy floss machines as well as all their parts. Visit our website to get machines, all their parts and accessories. This is our GBG Granicream Slush machine. In this video, we will show you how to clean and lubricate its different part. First, remove the bowl lid. Then remove the bowl outward, as shown in video. Use thumbs to unlock the bowl from bottom. Pull the spiral outward. Remove the bowl gasket outward. Carefully clean the evaporator from top to bottom and all its sides. Clean the front seal of evaporator. Wash the bowl with detergent and water and deeply clean so that all the slush mark. Wipe with water. Wash the bowl dispensing unit with small brush. Lubricate the bowl gasket and fix it as shown in video. Lubricate the evaporator front seal and also the suction cap gasket and fix it on the evaporator front seal. Fix the spiral on the evaporator. Lubricate the front seal of spiral. Lubricate the bowl and fix it on the evaporator. Use thumb to lock bowl from the lower side as shown in video. Lubricate the tab piston and the bowl dispensing unit. Now fix the tab piston and the tab spring and fix the plunger in tab piston as shown in video. Check the plunger. Thanks for watching our video.